he attended my workshop and he said there was this one big regret he has about the workshop now. What's this regret? Hey, hello everybody, this is Benjamin here, and today I have somebody very, very special that is here beside me. The last time I met this gentleman here was like 10 years ago, when he was a small little boy.
Hello?
I'm going to show him a video of his workshop when he attended when he was young. How old are you, by the way?
Back then I was 14 or 13.
Okay, he was like 13 or 14 lah. Where you attended the workshop?
I attended at Penang, at a hotel next to First Avenue. I think I forgot the hotel name.
Jen Hotel. Okay, so Jen Hotel, I think back in about 2015 lah.
2015.
Alright. Also, I haven't introduced him, but his name is Go Kai Wen. One of my students, wonderful results. He's been sharing me a lot of stories about his workshop, how it has helped him and everything. But first thing first, what I really want to do is, I just want to show him the video when he was a participant, right? And then we'll just play along, right? Let's just play along. Okay, so this is the video. Does your child take responsibility in anything that happens? Do your child have the resilience to fight on in life? When they fall down, do they have the strength to pick themselves up and move on, one step at a time in their life?
I feel like I'm a champion now.
Remember anything or what?
Everybody, even over here, also is champion.
Wait, pause.
Pause. Go back to that video there, the one that we are holding our paper up.
This one?
Oh yeah, this one.
Okay.
Oh my god. When I see this video, right?
Okay.
This guy is from my school and from my class.
He's already your same age.
Same age, same class, same friends circle.
Okay.
But I didn't know that he was attending it.
You didn't know that he was attending it?
I didn't know.
Okay.
So I was quite surprised when I came in. I was like, You know, like the Spider-Man, that three Spider-Man, that logo. This activity over here gave me the power and the mindset to achieve my goals. Because I can remember when we are holding up this paper, right? A lot of those coaches next to us are trying to pull us down, where you are trying to teach us determination. Although what I wrote on that paper, I can imagine that I want to be a professional football player. Right there. But now I'm not. People can achieve what they want to achieve, but I'm glad that I'm one of those that achieves it.
Okay.
Throughout your workshop.
Okay.
Because there's a lot of like ups and downs, a lot of obstacles that I need to go through, where I'm like few thousand kilometers away from home during my time at overseas, and I only can help myself.
Right. So you mentioned that last time when you were much younger, you wrote on there you want to be a professional football player.
Yeah.
Do you still play football?
Apparently no.
You don't play football
I don't play football at all.
Okay. So you study in UK, right?
I study in UK.
Play football there?
I don't play football there, but I watch football over there.
We continue this, huh? Okay. Right.
Everybody, even over here, also is champion.
This was me. That was me 10 years ago. 10 years ago and 10 kg ago.
To improve their lifestyle, to improve their studies.
I want to stop. Go back where?
Go back a bit there, a bit more. Oh yeah, that is the guy. Yeah.
What do you mean there's a guy?
That is the guy that took the initiative.
Oh,
yeah,
okay. So, he attended my workshop and he said there was this one big regret he has about the workshop now. What's this regret?
Because what I thought from Benjamin was he want to hear our motivation, like he want us to be motivated, so like we just keep screaming, but from one ringgit, at first he took out 1 ringgit, and then 5, and then 10, and then 20, and then last 50. And then during that 50, there's a guy, like our student, one of Benjamin's student, just walk up to the stage and grab it, and Benjamin just gave it. I was like, okay.
He says it's one of the regret, but to me it's one of the biggest learning point that I wanted to share with all the students. It's the same like a lot of students saying, I want to get good results, I want to do this. It's all talk, but at the end of the day, they don't really go and take the necessary action to step up and do what's necessary.
I would say that this fella
sees the opportunity.
Saw the opportunity and he grabbed the opportunity before me.
Okay.
So in that time, that's where I learned to grab every opportunity that I can get.
That's good. So to me, it's like, it's not about losing that 10 ringgit, 20 ringgit lah, but at least you lose that 20 ringgit, but you gain a valuable lesson. Important lah. So sometimes we must pay in order for us to learn also.
At first, he was like angry at her dad, like,
This is the part. This is the part whereby I say, right, I see you like quite some time, I see you grow up lah. So I think what are the changes? Let me see. Not much changes. The hair still almost the same style, just that it's last time black color, now gold color.
No.
No.
You have to say this one, right, is cute.
This one cute.
is handsome already.
Okay, so from cute become handsome.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you still remember what you said in this video or not?
In this video, I think I was talking about my dad.
This part whereby you say you were angry at your dad for forcing you here, and now you would like to say that you love your parents, right? So at 13, 14 years old, you actually felt forced to join a workshop. What's the reason why?
Okay, I think if I believe during your workshop was like a school holiday. And then that 1 week actually I have a lot of plans, like I just want to stay at home and like I'll go out with my friends, play some video games.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So I do not want to focus on study, I just want to go out and play.
You went for the workshop.
Yeah, I went for the workshop.
Went for the workshop. Okay, interesting, huh? So why I say it's interesting is because a lot of times parents sometimes give the opportunity to their children. Then they ask, you want to go? Then like what you mentioned is, most of the students, when it comes to something that's study related, they will just say no.
Yeah.
But right now, if you look back, are you glad that your mother said, that's it, you got to go?
Yeah, I actually quite glad because the method that you taught us, right? I actually applied it in my university and it works out well because all of the method, right, are related. Like you don't have to use, for example, you don't have to use mind map just for studying. You can use mind map for work related as well. It's very helpful for all ages.
Okay, this entire video itself, it's already 10 years old. We haven't seen this video for some time. Now, for those of you, you've been watching this reaction video, thank you so much. I hope you like it. Now, those of my graduates who graduate from this part, I haven't seen you for many, many years. I would really love to get in touch with you. I would really love to find out your progress, how it's been after so many years. So, like, share, comment. We'll see you at the next video.